Hi, I'm Amber. Today I'm going to share my English self-reflection video. This video will contain 3 main problems. While writing the essay, what did I learn and where can I improve? The first challenge I would like to describe is how I made my essay more academic. I had never realized that the structure and grammar I use is not professional enough to match the requirement. I feel a bit unsure about how to improve my language of indicating the evidence and replace the emotional adjective. For example, I found prisoner convicted by the cruel methods as the death penalty is legal. The cruel description I used to make my essay subjective, so I decided to search for some synonyms to replace the ordinary word in my essay. Those academic synonyms I had chosen made the sentence confused and hard to read, but even though this solution has many benefits, it was not the best solution overall, so I consulted peer mentors who could help me grammatically, and they seem to provide the most benefit for this. Since I realized that the fluent sentence and clear meanings are essential, I began to decide to use the more appropriate word to modify the sentence, and this is still the area I need to improve. The second challenge for me is the word limit, as I have to organize my whole essay within 1,800 words. I try to analyze the problem with the high integrated, so I use a lot of quotes to explain my point, which lead me to ignore the limit of number of words. I have removed many similar examples, such as approximately 50% of death penalty was excluded in California, and 85% of prisoners was sentenced to California. About 27% was excluded in Texas. This repeating instruction will cause my essay to be long and cumbersome. I found that the increased description would not make my essay more convincing. It would make my statement ambitious and confuse audience. So I do selectively delete some reference and rearrange my sentence. Although it's complicated for me to do this, I still edit my composition as much as I can. I think my problem is that I should build a logically clear structure and compare the more appropriate expression. When explain the explanation, this is something that still needs to be improved in the future. The third challenge is correct way of writing reference. When I was writing, once I found the right reference to evaluate my point, I narrow my focus on paraphrasing article and whether this citation helped to stay the view. I quickly forget that I just copied the website's link and didn't record the correct APA citation. For example, I will miss the special date and title, so I decided to change them after complete a paragraph. The first time the reference list has many errors, such as I ignored the alphabetical order, first name and last name. These are also a neural way to refer to it, such as video resource. I correct the error by looking for special method of APA citation and double check by my friend. In this process, I realized that I need to be patient and care while recording the reference. Finally, I would like to supply some recommendation for students that is going to write a research essay. It is not that essential to show out your vocabulary, at least you indicate the logically and academic statement. Action on word limit and the correct reference is also important. So that is the end of the self-reflection video. Thanks for watching.